It's a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri. And what are we going to make today?
A cake.
We're going to make a cake.
We're going to make Nana Linda's pound cake.
We're going to make Nana Linda's pound cake.
It's so easy.
It's so easy. Okay, we're going to start off with a half a pound of butter. And right here we have a whole pound. So I'm going to need you to cut that in half for me. That way we'll have a half a pound of butter, okay? Cut it in half. Who's helping us here today? Who is this? Who's this guy?
Now.
Got this, where'd we get this at?
At the Disney store.
We got this at the Disney store. They had this little ratatouille and it is so funny. It has a little magnet underneath and you put it on your shirt and he just rides around with you. Isn't that funny? Okay, cut our butter in half for us. Thank you. Good job. Okay, it calls for room temperature and we don't have room temperature butter. So I'm just gonna warm it up just a tad so it'll be a little bit softer. We just warmed our butter up so that it would be room temperature. I'm just gonna give it a mix. I warmed my butter up in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then I just gave it a little whip because it does call for room temperature butter. So I'm just gonna get that a little bit soft and then we'll start adding everything else. Nana Linda usually makes hers in her KitchenAid mixer. I just didn't want to drag it out, so I'm just gonna use a mixer. 2.5 cups of sugar, so there's 2. We'll do a half. Thank you. Now we're gonna do 7 eggs at room temperature.
7 eggs.
At room temperature.
That room temperature.
2, 7. I'm gonna give this a mix before we add our flour. So let's just give it a little mix. 3 cups of flour. Looks good. Got it all? All right. There we go. 1 cup. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Now we're gonna add 2, I'm having a hot flash, hold on. Whew. Thank you. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Did you know that your cap is a teaspoon? 1 teaspoon. So we're gonna do 2 of these. 1, 2. 2 teaspoons. Give this a mix. Easy breezy. There we go. All right, I think it's ready. You think it's ready? Okay, let's see. Try it. Is it good? It's good, isn't it? All right. Cheers. We're gonna spray our bundt pan. You can grease it and flour it if you'd like. I'm gonna just use some cooking spray. Just give it a little spray. Here you go. There we go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There you go. You can lick the bowl. All right. This is one of the best pound cakes that you will ever eat. It is foolproof, so good, really good with strawberries on it. You're gonna put this into a cold oven, then you're gonna turn the temperature up to 350 degrees, and you're gonna bake it for 60 to 70 minutes. It's depending on your oven. But I'm gonna check it after about an hour and we'll just see where it's at. But I'm pretty sure it takes about 65, 70 minutes. So, have you had this before? This is Nana Linda's pound cake. Have you ever had it? You haven't? Well, you're about to.
What are you eating?
Butter.
Is that your favorite snack?
Oh! Whew, that was close. You about got your chin, sister. Bless it.
Blue. Try with you.
Good morning. Do you like pound cake?
Yes.
That's what we're making.
Alright.
We'll bring
Hi,
some.
Ronnie.
Hi. I'm gonna bring it upstairs so everybody can try it.
Oh, is that how that works?
Yep. And you have a friend.
I have a friend. He's gonna help me cook. I'll go wash your hands off.
KKK.
KKK.
refining, and this is hot.
I'll get it cleaned up. 70 minutes. It looks beautiful. We're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna
Flip it.
flip it, 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 flip it. Woo! Just like that.
She got it.
Hobby Lobby.
I love that store.
I do too. It's my favorite.
With a toy candy there, and I love
Coin candies. I know you do love those. Okay, throw that in the trash for me. See? Okay. You can get these big chargers at Hobby Lobby.
And that's my favorite store.
That's your favorite store? Yeah, okay, that's still a little warm, so I want to be careful. All right, so we're just going to pop this right on top here, and then we're going to
Flip it.
flip it. Aha! Whew, I'm having a hot flash. Oh, thank you.
What?
It's broken.
Let's open it. Like that.
Oh, watch out, it's hot. It's a little bit broken, and I'll tell you why, because we did not let it cool. We didn't let it cool long enough, did we?
Uh-huh.
It's our fault. It is our fault. But it's still edible. Still edible, but we couldn't wait long enough, could we?
Yeah.
Sure, Nana Linda's gonna be disappointed in us, isn't she? Because we didn't let it rest. Oh. Here's. Mmm. Mmm.
Holy moly, that's good.
Holy moly, that's good. Mmm. That's delicious.
Eat the whole thing.
Okay. She's gonna eat the whole thing. Mmm. This is the best pound cake you'll ever make. Pound cake with your butter.
Uh-huh.
Nana Linda wraps it in saran wrap and lets it age for 24 hours. So that is the correct way to do it. It's beautiful, golden on the outside, so soft and spongy on the inside. Best pound cake ever, isn't it? Mmm. So good. Remember, let it cool, guys. We were too impatient. Ronnie likes a little butter on hers. All right, everybody remember, expect something great to happen to you today.
To you today.
And make something great happen through you today.
Make something great happen to you today.
Yes.
Have a great day.
Have a great day. We'll see ya.
Bye.
Let's take it upstairs and share it.
Okay. Keep the splitter off.
Good job.
Yummy in my tummy.